Wife and husband is there. Almost they married 10 years or 5 years, 10 years, or some marriage life. They're not feeling that much happy to stay together, to live together. There are their own problems. We don't know. The wife is not feeling comfortable to stay with husband. Husband is not feeling comfortable to stay with wife. Always blaming, always criticizing, angry, fighting. All these things are happened. One day, they went to their family friend only. Lawyer is there, advocate. Both went there. Wife told her, I can't stay single day also with this bloody person like her. Husband is also telling, I can't stay single day also with this lady person. We require a divorce like they approached their family, relative, family friend only, a relative, their relative only. Please do the required things for the divorce. Okay. Do you know for the last 1 year, for the last 2 years onwards, sir, from marriage day onwards, sir, I'm struggling like anything with this person. Like everyone is complaining on. Really, kids are there. Then what? That family friend, advocate. Of course, their relative only, right? Their well wisher. Then he asked only one thing. Definitely, I'm going to do. I'm going to do, and I'm the responsible to provide divorce for you people. Definitely, I will do. I will take care because already decided you can't stay together. Then okay, I can't tell anymore. Just definitely I will do. But for me, can you please do a small thing for me? Okay, like in one-to-one meeting, not together, one-to-one meeting, he told one thing. Okay, first wife came and she asked what I required to do that. Can I expect your husband is the very worst person or not? Hurry, 100%. She didn't wait single second also. 100% pakka. In the total world, such a type of stupid person I never saw. Wonderful. Even that person is the very worst person. He had some small, good, some small, good qualities. Maybe. Take the magnifier and search for the good qualities. Which good qualities are there? You observe in your husband every day. Can you please write in this diary for the next 21 days and then come? Like the lawyer gave a small diary to wife first. And then the same thing is happened for the husband also. So the lawyer asked the husband, what about your wife? My wife is the very worst. Okay, I never saw such a type of person in my life. Like he's he's also telling the same story what wife told. Same. Then he gave the small assignment. I know she the very worst. That's why just for your sake only, I'm ready to provide divorce. Because bearing such a type of lady or bearing such a type of husband is not that much easy. I know that pain. That's why definitely I will take care about your divorce. Can you please do? It's a small assignment for me, heartfully. Can you please do that like he gave individually diaries without knowing each other. Okay, don't tell to husband or husband don't tell to wife. Like, okay, perfect. They one started. They one started. Morning to evening, what is the best quality in my wife? He's always searching. The same thing is happening from the opposite also. Searching what good activity, what he can do today. Just because he is the responsible to write at least one good activity. Then what happened is the wife identified husband. The house owner came for the rent. Then this husband provided the rent. Then immediately, so he helped. Okay, for the rent. That's why we are staying happily in this house. Okay, like she. Next, electricity bill, something like that. Okay, electricity bill like that. She's always searching what good things husband is doing. Okay, one day, so he's taking very much care about my kids. So dropping the kids at school and bringing the kids from the school, receive the kids from the school, everything my husband is going to take care. Husband having not so he's not considering me, but the kids he's taking very much care. Okay, like so every day she's keep on searching for only good things. First day completed, second day completed, third day completed. The same thing. Husband is also. Array, assume that wife is housewife. Assume that. Array, he's taking very much care about the house. She's helping my kids like anything. Okay, providing education, taking care like that. So next, she's providing everything. She's the responsible to manage morning to evening. I'm observing she's full busy. She's going to take care. Dot. Whatever good qualities, he keep on writing that. 21 days got completed. Every day their job is what? Morning to evening
To find the good qualities of each
to
of the
find
person.
good qualities, and they require to record in the diary. That's why compulsory, they are always searching for what good. Like in this total process, they forgot about negative things about opposite person. Remember, they forgot. After 21 days, whenever they approached the lawyer, the husband told that without my wife, I can't stay single day. I don't want to divorce. She's too good. She made for me. The God, she the gift. She's the gift for me. I don't want to miss. Like husband told, the same thing wife also told. Where is the difference, man? Where is the difference? The difference is earlier they are seeing only negative things. But in these 21 days, they are seeing only
Positive things, yeah.
positive things, good things. Everyone having plus and minus, man. Why you have to see only minus? Better to see plus also. Better to see positive things also. So, one positive thing. Array, can you please tell any person in the world without having any positive things?
No.
No, right? Everyone having some positive things. Everyone having some positive things.
And also we can say that negative things get more highlighted when compared to good things.
That's what criticism. Criticism. We are always searching for negatives. Search for positives. Appreciate. Automatically negatives by default will be gone, man.